Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to reset start menu in your Windows 11 machine. Now, the steps what I'm going to share in this video will help you to resolve all the start menu issues in your Windows 11 machine. Now, the first step what you will have to do is you will have to open PowerShell in your Windows. To open PowerShell, you may go ahead and go to search. In the search box, you may go ahead and type PowerShell. Once you have typed PowerShell, you will see the results for PowerShell. Under this, once you have the best match for Windows PowerShell, you may go ahead and click on Run as Administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may go ahead and click on Yes or Continue on the screen. Now, once you have the Windows PowerShell, you will have to copy and paste the command from my video description. Now, the first command what I'm going to copy and paste is to reset the app package for the start menu. So either you can do a right click on the bar here, click on edit and paste to paste the command. Otherwise, you can use the shortcut Control V to paste the command. Once you have this command, you may go ahead and click on or hit enter on your keyboard. Once that is done, you will have to go back to the video description, copy and paste the command from the video description. So you can do a right click, click on edit and paste. This is the second command and hit enter. Once this command is completed, which says start process, which we are forcefully stopping the process for the start menu package. Once it is done, the next command what you will have to paste is to get process. So you can do a right click, click on edit and paste and hit enter. Once this is completed, once you have these options in the screen, you may go ahead and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, check if your start menu is working. This should fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.